Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change game storage location. First, understand why you might want to do this, perhaps to free up space on your primary drive or improve loading times by moving games to a faster solid-state drive. This process typically involves moving game files from one drive to another, often through platform-specific settings or by manually relocating folders. It's a straightforward way to optimize your gaming setup and ensure smooth performance across all your titles. For PC gamers, platforms like Steam and Epic Games Launcher offer built-in tools. On Steam, navigate to Settings, then Downloads, and create a new Steam library folder on your desired drive. You can then move installed games to this new location. Epic Games requires uninstalling and reinstalling to a new directory. Always ensure you have sufficient space, perhaps at least 100 gigabytes free, on the target drive before initiating any transfers to avoid issues. Console players, including those on PlayStation and Xbox, often utilize external storage. For PlayStation, connect a compatible USB 3.0 external hard drive, then go to Settings, Storage, and move games to the extended storage. Xbox users can also connect an external drive and manage games and apps to move titles. Ensure your external drive has ample capacity, like 1 or 2 terabytes, to accommodate your growing game library effectively. When choosing new storage, consider a solid-state drive for speed, especially for frequently played titles, or a larger hard disk drive for bulk storage. Regularly review your game library, perhaps once every few months, to uninstall games you no longer play, freeing up valuable space. Always back up your game's save data, either to the cloud or another external device, to prevent losing your progress during any storage management activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.